traders, so we're just coming into the final hours of the month end and quarter end, so just going to take a quick look at some potential moves that might happen over the coming days. So first thing we're going to look at here is dollar index. So right now we're seeing the dollar index after a correction down, we're seeing an impulse back up, coming back into potential structural resistance area in and around the even handle 100. What was important was where this market rejected, which was around 103. We saw a huge sell-off in the US dollar as the Fed basically started talking huge stimulus package worth 2.2 trillion. So we've seen the dollar sell off. Now we're seeing a little bit of a correction on that. Now the question is, will price reject the 100, or are we going to see dollar strength resume? I'm going to start looking for a potential of dollar weakness to resume. So things to look out for will be break of the CTR here. So looking for market to come back down and break through here. Obviously we could still break to the upside, and if we do, then I'll be looking for a retest of 100 and dollar strength to resume. So right now we're in a little bit of limbo land, but I would be more favorable to be looking to the downside on the US dollar. Opportunities that we can see that are pretty close to being present right now would be looking at sterling. Sterling obviously sold off very hard down to the 1.14 level, where we can see it bottomed out and created a nice double bottom with the neckline that the market never came back to. But we are seeing sterling's putting up a decent fight against the US dollar in this moment of dollar strength. The correction's been pretty slight. We're seeing price rejecting the 123 even handle. We've got this descending counter trend line that we're looking to see price to see if we can break and close above that, and then if so, we'll look on smaller time frames for a correction and continue that move north up towards the 127 extension, which comes in at a structure high over to the left. Other options will be with Aussie dollar. Aussie, we're seeing price come into support here. We may see another push up here. Now obviously Aussie is a risk currency, it's not affected by the dollar index, it's not in the dollar index, but we could see a move here based on the fact that if the US dollar is going to sell off. So we're looking for a rejection. Failing that, this is a counter trend correction pattern, a rising wedge, which therefore we should potentially at some point expect to see this pattern break and the move continue lower. So there's multiple options you've got here, but it's a matter of sticking to your rules and trading what you see. So if the market does break down and we do break out of this pattern to the downside, expect to see the market push down towards 57 again. But if we do see a rejection and a change of cyclical pattern in here, we will potentially see the market push up back towards 62.50. Euro dollar coming into a little bit of structure here, but the safe play here is waiting for a break of the CTL and further upside, maybe up towards the 115s yet again, and then maybe another further push depending how the markets start the following month. Dollar yen is a little bit similar. You can see there's a sell stop placed in here underneath this candle, which would coincide with a break and close below the CTL. We'd be looking initial targets into the swing low, which is about a 1-to-1, and then extended targets down towards the 106 even handle 27 extension. Moving over to gold, final chart we're going to look at. We've got this little box range being formed here on the 4-hour. We're seeing 1640 and basically 1598, 1597 top and bottom of the range. Any sort of rejection through here, I'm a long-term buyer of gold. I will be looking to see if this level here at 1597.98 holds. If it does and we see some sort of rejection, I'll be looking to trade this up towards 1630, taking profits out, a majority of profits out I should say, and then looking for another break above 1640 before we get that next impulse move to the upside. But obviously we've got our rules in place. If you'd like to know a little bit more about our trading style and how we enter, exit and manage our trades, then please make sure you head over to our Instagram channel, which is at Trade and Train or at the Live Traders Club, and you'll get information about our online course, which is going to be on the 25th and 26th of April. If you're interested, drop me an email at mark@tradeandtrain.com and I'll be able to give you full information on the online course. If you'd like the content that I've just put out today, I know it's a short video. If you do like it, please hit like, share and subscribe. We'll be posting a lot more videos now. We've got a lot more time in front of the screen, and hopefully trying to help you guys at home that are going to be developing your skill set while you've got the additional time. Okay, have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.